first.
NASCAR. Rally cars. Alright, Travis Barker in his Escalade or whatever. I bet he's listening to that.
I don't understand. Why?
Alright, 10-second compact car.
Huh?
10-second compact car. Alright, Dodge Charger fixed up with a big ass head on it.
Huh?
With a big blower on it. Big blower. Louder, bigger than that. No, I want to feel the muscle, buddy.
That's as loud as it gets. It's still street legal. That's still street legal, boy. I broke a rod.
Alright, mini dirt bike.
Ring ding 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 ring ding 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 rain 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 ding 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 rain ding 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 ding. I crashed like always.
Now what are you gonna do? This is freestyle, Joey. Do what you want to.
Excuse me, we're still.
Lowrider, hydraulic. Do the lowrider hydraulic. Lowrider hydraulic. Sides. Come on now.
Remind me to put a pad there next week. Gosh.
Alright. Show us what you got under the hood, Joey.
I don't know, I'm screwed up in the head. I'm done.